In this short video, I'll show you how to create a map for your project. Okay, so let's start. First of all, why the maps are important. It's really good to have the live view where you can place the map. From the map, you can open any kind of the door, any kind of the VDP product, or to just open the view of the map. So it's really useful for the operator for easy navigation. Then we are using the maps also in the alarm event center. So when there is alarm, only the object which caused the alarm shows on the map. The other objects do not show on the map at all. And the most important thing is tracking the object. Once you set up the access control, VDP devices, face recognition devices or other cameras on your system, you can track the person if you, for example, create the person in the database. Then you see the movement of the person on the map. So it's really convenient for the user. Okay, now let's see how to set up the map in the DSS Pro. You need to switch for the settings, then go to create a map. We are not going to create a live map, we are going to add a raster map. So click on the add map sign over here. Create a map name, for example, office. You can put also some description if you want. And place the layout of your map or some image over here. The image where you will actually place all your devices. Then double click on the map. On the side, you will see all the devices which are available for your map. So, for example, my face recognition camera. So let's drag and drop the face recognition camera. Face recognition camera is placed over here against the door. Then I have a camera which collects the metadata about the people, how they looks like and so on. This camera is placed on the end of the hall. I have also VDP devices, so when someone is coming, he needs to ring on the door. And of course, I have access control. And access control is placed from the same side as the video door phone. So I will place it next to it. In case you want to move the devices later on, you can do that as well. So if you decide to move the door, for example, over here, you can do it anytime. You can also place some alarm inputs on the map, as well as camera from the access control or the camera from the VDP device. So it's really up to you. Once you are done with the map, just click over here on the arrow, go back. How to verify your map if you set up everything correctly? It's easy. Just go to monitoring center. Then place your map in one of the windows. And you can see your devices are placed in the map. You can see this overview or you can minimize it. Up to you. Depends how big is the map. Then you can open directly from here any kind of the camera directly on the live view. Or you can go over here and open the door, any kind of the door from access control, just by clicking on the icon. Or you can go with the VDP devices and again open the door. The door is unlocked. Or you can open the camera related to that door. Moreover, what you can do if there is more than one camera related to your video door phone, you can switch between them really easily. Okay, I hope you liked the video and thank you very much for watching.